Hi, this is Team 4 tutorial, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to download display recorder on iOS 8 with a jailbroken. And the first you're gonna need is you just go to your CD and just wait for a few minutes. Just wait for a few minutes. And it already loading, and you just go to your source and just find report.byyourapple.net and just go ahead and click on all pages and found display record and just take it 3D. Just scroll down to find display recorder. Display recorder. Here, display recorder, and just click on install, but I'm already installed it, and just go ahead. And what you need is just go to your setting and you just scroll down to find recorder, display recorder, and just go on it and just scroll down and find video format and just click on that. And when you already download it just like this, and you just click on down, and it already record and hearing sound. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. Please subscribe more to get more video. Thank you.